Hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. This week's recipe is in honor of Jewish American Heritage Month. Our cookbook highlight is Zahav by Stephen Cook. Today I will be showing you how to make challah. For your ingredients, you will need active dry yeast, all-purpose flour, egg yolks, sugar, kosher salt, olive oil, a whole egg, sesame seeds, and poppy seeds. Step 1. Mix the sugar in half a cup of warm, not hot, water in a cup. Then add in the yeast and let stand for 5 minutes until foamy. Step 2. Combine the flour, salt, egg yolks, and oil in a bowl of a stand mixer. Then add in the yeast mixture and knead with the hook attachment until the dough comes together and pulls away from the sides of the bowl, about 2 minutes. Cover with a towel and let rise until doubled in volume, 1 to 1.5 hours, depending on the warmth of the kitchen. Step 3. Remove the towel and punch the dough down, then divide it into 3 equal pieces. On a lightly floured surface, roll each piece into a rope about 9 inches long. Step 4. Braid the ropes to form a loaf on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Cover with a towel and let rise again until doubled in volume, about 30 minutes. Step 5. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Uncover your braided loaf and brush the entire loaf with the beaten egg. Then sprinkle with the sesame and poppy seeds. Step 6. Bake until golden brown, about 20 to 25 minutes. Step 7. Carefully remove from the oven and transfer to a wire rack to cool. Let cool completely before slicing and serving. Keep at room temperature in a zip-top bag. All that's left is to enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPO Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.